This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Concord. The best of both worlds, prime location and space. The open floor plans boast 20-foot ceilings and a 2-story loft in the great room. The foyer leads to the main living area where the kitchen flows into the living room. This kitchen is all about storage. Double ovens, electric cooktop, new microwave, 42 wood cabinets, and granite throughout. Dining room and a butler's pantry. Master on main west/built-in closet and custom shelving. Shower, and garden tub in the bathroom, double vanity. Upstairs hosts the large open loft. One of the bedrooms has a private bathroom and large walk-in closet. Finished basement open living area to partial kitchen. Kitchen has tile floors, granite countertops with seating, built-in wood cabinets, a sink and dishwasher. Guest bedroom with private full bathroom. An unfinished walkout storage area is located in the basement and can be converted into additional living space.